If you are a Nigerian living abroad, whether in the UK, US, Canada, Europe, or anywhere else in the diaspora, this is one opportunity you may not want to overlook. The Dangote Oil Refinery is expected to list on the Nigerian Stock Exchange soon. And for the first time, Nigerians living outside the country may be able to participate directly in one of the largest industrial projects in Africa. In this video, I would explain to you why this matters and how you can position yourself to potentially buy into the Dangote Refinery IPO when it becomes available. And I will show you step by step, so there's no confusion. First, let's talk about why this opportunity is significant for Nigerians in the diaspora. The Dangote Refinery is expected to be Africa's largest refinery with a capacity of around 650,000 barrels per day, making it a project that could influence fuel prices, foreign exchange stability, and Nigeria's broader industrial future. You see, opportunities like this rarely come along because refineries almost never go public, which means this could represent a one-in-a-generation industrial assets for investors. In addition to this, dividends are expected to be paid in dollars. Yes. And this makes the opportunity even more attractive for us, living in diaspora. Another key advantage is accessibility. Diaspora Nigerians may not be able to invest without needing a traditional stockbroker in Nigeria or physically being in the country. The entire process can be done online. So if you've ever said, I want to invest back home, but I don't know how, this could be your moment. Now, let's get to the practical bits and let me walk you through how to prepare for the IPO. The first step is to create an NGX Invest account, which is the platform that allows investors to subscribe to Nigerian IPOs online. To do this, you would visit the NGX Invest website. So click on the register, provide your name, your email, and your phone number. After verifying your email, you would also provide your BVN and NIN to complete the process. Once your account is created, you have access to participate in IPO subscriptions directly from, or directly through the Nigerian exchange platform. So now the second step is to create a CSCS account. This is like your digital wallet where Nigerian shares will be stored after you purchase them. There are two common ways to open one. The first option is through the Bamboo app, which is the option I used, where signing up automatically on the Bamboo app automatically generates a CSCS account for you. The second option is through a licensed stockbroker, such as Meristem, Stanbic IBTC, FBN Quest, any of those. Once your CSCS account is active, you're officially set up to own Nigerian stocks, including the Dangote Refinery when it eventually lists. The final step is to wait for the official IPO announcements. When the offer opens, the Dangote Refinery IPO will appear on the NGX Invest platform, where you would see the official share price, the minimum subscription amount, and all the relevant investment details that you need. And from there, you can submit your subscription directly from your NGX account. That's your NGX Invest dashboard. For many Nigerians living abroad, investing back home has often felt confusing. And I hear it a lot of time. Does it make sense? How do I go about it? And all those things. However, with platforms like NGX Invest and digital CSCS onboarding, the barriers are gradually being removed. If the Dangote Refinery IPO proceeds as expected, it could become one of the most significant listing in Nigeria's history, and diaspora investors may finally have a clearer pathway to participate. I always say this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research. Consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decision. And if you found this video helpful, consider liking the video and sharing it with other Nigerians in the diaspora, and subscribing for more tips, guides on investing, on money matters. And I'll see you in my next video.